In this video, we head northbound to Morgan County to enjoy Wheeler National Wildlife Refuge in Summerville, Alabama. We arrived at the boat launch area and got prepared for a day on the water.
Well, good morning. Jonathan got me up bright and early this morning to do a little paddleboarding. So as the channel says, we are going to let the sup runneth over today, and I'm looking forward to it. It's been a minute since I've been on the paddleboard, and I'm gonna have to look back at some content to see when it was, because I really do not remember when my board got dirty like this. When I took it out the bag, I was like, who been riding my paddleboard? But we are going to have us a great day out here at Cotaco Creek. And the last time I was here, we were in the Ginu, and it was cold and we had sunny, so it was a very different experience. But today we're of course on the boards, and I hope you're ready for a little sup content that hasn't posted on the channel probably in a long time, but there she is, and we gonna get on her. All right, check in with you a little later. We're going this way, right? Right? Or that way? There's nothing that way?
Down river that way. The main channel of the Tennessee River.
Oh, okay.
Like big boats put in here and go out to the river.
Oh, well, we not on the big boat today. Will we ever put in here? Not deep enough?
I gotta inspect that ramp a little bit
Uh-huh.
to see if it can handle manifest. I've seen big boats put in here,
Yeah.
like big pontoon boats and stuff.
Hubby gonna show me a good time. These are his waters. He's used to these. He's been up and down them on paddleboards and on the Ginu, so he knows his way around. We're gonna get a little lunch a little later. Packed us a lunch, so hopefully we'll have us a nice day out here. Y'all, it's been too long since I got out in nature. It feels like forever. Seriously. It feels like heaven. You picked a good day to call me on my stuff.
Baby, I'd have rolled over and went back to sleep. That's why I got up. I said, if it's happening, I got to get, So that's why I looked at it and said,
He woke me up at 6:41. 6:41.
It's not early.
Yes, it is.
That is not early.
I almost could have caught a sunrise.
No hours after sunrise.
I could have caught my level of
The
sunrise.
sun had been up for almost 2 hours by that time. Hour and a half, at least.
It had not.
You can check the almanac on that, but I think sunrise is probably about 5:30. It's been over an hour this time of year. You want to paddle around or you want to portage over here?
Nah, we ain't gonna portage.
No portage?
I ain't trying to get a tick on me. I don't have on long pants.
I'll be worried about snakes and ticks.
Well, I'm worried about it all.
With a little rest and a sugar rush, I was ready to explore the creek for a little longer.
Going left on you. I know I like rights, but I'm going left today. Huh? Yeah, you did. Now, is this limestone? Or what is it?
Limestone.
That's what I thought. There's a strong cypress there growing out of this. Seems like it'd be gators back here too.
Just go to that body of water, and this how you gonna know. You grab that water like that, and you pick up some and you do like that. If that water wet, it's got gators in it.
Alright, we just be sneaking up on them right now. Saving the refuge. One alcoholic bottle at a time. Thank you, love. I think that's what I enjoy about places like this is all the little alcoves that you can just pull away from the main larger bodies of water and just get lost for a minute. So I think the last time me and hubby have been out paddling in these parts was I think in 2020 when we went to, oh, what's the name of the place? Starts with a G.
Anniversary week, you know, we were gonna do Italy and Rome and Mumbai and Dubai. You know, I was gonna do all that, but since COVID, came out here to Priceville, Alabama instead. You know, so that's our fallback from Rome to Garth Slough and Priceville. That's how I go.
Works for me.
All right.
I have to look it up, but we paddled, and it was, I think, our anniversary of the 2020 year. So we were doing our social distancing while still trying to get out and celebrate us, which is kind of what we're doing today.
After a bit more paddling, my stomach started to drown out the sounds of nature.
Where's the place to stop and eat?
Somewhere along Let me see.
Starting to run on empty and going from hungry to hangry in a matter of minutes, I tried to help us find a place to stop.
Here's a shaded spot right here. Just want to sit right here on the water. Huh? Okay. I'm working up an appetite. That's for sure. Looks my goodest place of any. So enjoy our lunch. So, gonna rest here and grab us a bite.
This church lamb look dead, so I won't hang out around up on it too much. Come over here.
A strong push. Which lamb?
This whole thing is dead.
It's got trees on it, leaves.
LaShonda, just come over here.
Yes, sir. You start using my government name, I gotta listen. Does this look better?
Yeah.
Feeling a little safer, we settled in for a semi-quiet lunch on the water.
Oh, you trying to get drunk out here on me?
I just brought one bed and one crawler.
And I did notice that my needles looked like they had been drank.
No, that's six-pack full. When the six-pack full?
It was,
It was probably over
but
full.
it wasn't with needles.
No, it was full six-pack.
It was not with needles.
No,
Somebody been drinking my needles. Got some chips in here too, ain't
I got my chip right here.
Oh, okay.
If George start eating, like,
You act like you gonna roll off without me. You know what I mean?
just eat, you know, just doing too much. You're doing way too much.
Cheers. Quality time.
Start the anniversary weekend.
Yes, it is. Monday is the anniversary.
That's all.
Yep.
All them people watching this.
Yep.
Lord have mercy.
Garth Slew.
What? What about it?
I was trying to tell them last time I think you and I went paddling
It was
Out.
a Garflu.
outside of DeSoto,
Oh,
Fort DeSoto. I mean, we really didn't, paddle there.
yeah, we did. I got a great paddle in there. Sunset.
Yeah. We did more fishing than paddling.
You did more fishing than paddling.
Maybe that's where my board got dirty at.
Looked like you got sand on it. That's what it looked like.
Yeah.
I still see sand on it.
Well, and that's what, yeah, it's on me. And I was like, I'm getting beach sand on it. I don't remember being at the beach with my paddleboard. But that is where it was. It was during spring break. Was it this spring break? No. That couldn't have been that long ago. 'Cause that was last spring break. Spring break before last. When we did that trip. I think. just wants me to sit in silence.
He thought up a lie and he thought it up quick.
I'm just saying you narrate real well, so I don't want to take that away from the people being able to narrate over this later.
$18 I've been putting up with you. Okay. So you've been putting up with
That's
me?
the count we have now.
And we're still doing it together.
This bag was so smushed up.
What?
Bag of chips. Alright. I don't know what the boys was doing when they closed it. But you gotta give them credit for closing the bag, you know?
We need to have a timer up and see how long that took.
You know, I ain't gonna say nothing else. Starting now.
Don't have no stroke on my account. Oh. Oh. Oh, my side just started hurting laughing at you. Oh. Oh. Or maybe get one or two. I think.
Broke my silence. God damn it. I tried. Yeah. Easier said than done.
Be you, baby.
With my silence officially broken, I gave an early birthday wish to my mom from the water, and we wrapped up our lunch.
That was good. Well, I'm glad you like it. So glad you like it.
Love you guys. Y'all enjoy. I will make sure I holler back at you guys anniversary day.
Okay.
FaceTime again, right, Ebony? Okay.
All right. Love y'all.
Love you.
Bye, baby. Love you.
All right. Happy early birthday. I'll call you tomorrow. All right. Bye. I didn't know we were unhooked. Let me get my stuff resecured. Oh, Jesus. Okay, that's that. we headed back? Where are we headed? Huh? Oh, is it?
Yeah, we ain't going back. We're going to go from where the boat came from.
Oh, I didn't know that.
You leave them behind you.
No, I did not. But I didn't know it was a circle.
You know, several times we didn't circle back and you be acting like I did something.
You do be doing magic now. I'm serious. We'll be on a road and I will have like absolutely no idea where we are, and then he'll wind up on a road that I'm like, oh, okay, I know where I am, and I have like no idea how we got there. So he teased and he say all these roads connect, you know. But I have horrible sense of direction. But I'm never lost. It's usually misplaced. Well, y'all, the boat traffic has started to pick up, so it's officially time for us to head on back in, and we have made our full loop back to the boat ramp, and we're gonna call this one a day. Anytime I can get on my SUP and actually live up to my namesake of this channel, I am in heaven. Well, this wraps it up. I have enjoyed every minute of it. Thank you, husband.
No problem.
Forgive me out there on the water. I needed a good paddleboarding trip, and I'm thankful for that. But we are on our way back home now, so we're gonna wrap this one up. If you have enjoyed it as much as I have enjoyed making it, I hope you like, comment, and please subscribe. And as always, I thank you so much for watching. Bye.